So here we are. Click the parking button like so. Search for parking space. So there we go. Stop the vehicle to park. Please choose parking space and confirm. So parking space there, click parking space, reverse, into reverse, and then I'm just covering the brake. I'm not happy with that. In drive, so back into reverse. And there we go, it's parked up. Activate parking assist in operation, be ready to brake. That's it. That's how you use the braking. We'll switch that off. Please choose exiting direction. So we'll go, actually we'll go right. Oh, click right. We're in drive. Car coming. He couldn't write the script, so he's just cocked me up really. Anyway, I'm going to take over from there. So that's it. That's getting in and out of a parking space. I'll now take you for a drive.